Do you want to create AI videos like this or like this without showing your face? Well, watch until the end because I'll teach you how to use ReelCraft AI, which is currently AppSumo's deal of the day, to generate entire videos that you can share on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to educate your customers and sell your products. During this Black Friday season, I've been adding all of the AppSumo Black Friday deals to this Notion spreadsheet. That way I can keep track and you can keep track as well. I also included tons of other Black Friday SaaS deals in this Notion document as well. I recently added a promotion from Brain FM, WooRise, SureTriggers, and also FastPixel. And every single day as I come across new Black Friday promotions, I'll be adding them here for myself and also for you. Now, if you want access to this free Notion doc, click the link in my description and fill out the form. Now, ReelCraft AI is today's deal of the day. Now, this deal is tied to either the Pro or Enterprise plan. And one thing you need to be aware of is that all AppSumo purchasers are eligible to purchase additional credits at a 50% discount for the 12 months following the campaign. So you can get a discount only for 1 year after this AppSumo campaign. So these are the various tiers with their limits and features. So with tier 2, you unlock white labeling and pro mode, which is their fully customizable storytelling feature, which I'll use in a moment. Tier 3 increases the limits. And with tier 4, you also get access to ultra realistic models, currently Hyper AI. And I'll show you how Hyper AI looks like in a moment. So these credits listed here are only for the ReelCraft AI, but for Hyper, you get 200 credits. Okay, so those two credits are different. Now regarding credits, here's some additional information you should be aware of. So there is a pro rata credit charging system. So credits are charged per minute on a pro rata basis. For example, a 1 minute 4K image video costs 25 credits. And if the video exceeds 1 minute, say by an additional 30 seconds, 12 more credits will be used. And there's also free regenerations, so you can regenerate up to half of the total images or animations in your project at no additional cost. And regarding the gold credits for API integrations, so gold credits are reserved for external API integrations with partners like Hyper AI. These integrations incur charges per second to us, so normal credits cannot be converted into gold credits. And gold credits are only necessary for those who wish to use external models. So this is the ReelCraft AI backend. So this is the Pro mode, okay? So Pro mode is available for tiers 1 and up. So you basically add any idea, script, or caption here. So I used ChatGPT to generate a short video caption, and in the brackets is the description of the scene and then the caption right here in quotes. So ChatGPT generated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes in this short video. And then there's 3 different graphics types you can choose from. So your video could just be images, animated images, or you could use Hyper AI to create more realistic animated videos or images, okay? And depending on which graphics type you use, you can choose from a variety of filters. Like for 4K animation, you can choose from background score. Now, I'm not sure why I cannot choose a background score right now, but I'll show you how to do that in a moment. You can choose from 2 different ratios. You can add a voiceover. Now, these are all of the English voiceovers, but you can choose from these different languages. And what I like about ReelCraft AI is your ability to upload your own voice, and ReelCraft AI will use your voice for your video. And then you could choose your content type, so concept, explanation, stories, historical, and so forth, and the style. So there's tons of style for this 4K animation graphics type. Now, if you do Hyper AI, these are the specific styles for Hyper AI. And then for 4K image, it's the same, I believe, as the 4K animation for the most part. And then if you have a specific brand, you can choose that right here and make your visibility either public or private. So once you set up your filters, your graphics type, and added a description or a prompt here, you click on create. and then it'll take you to this first step, which is the story step. So this is the prompt that I gave it originally, as you know. And then what's cool is that ReelCraft AI used that prompt to generate the scenes for me. So it knows that each bracket is one scene, and then in quotes is the narration. So this is scene 1 with the narration. You can add additional scenes if you want. So it accurately created 5 scenes for me with the exact narration I gave it. And then you would click on next to go to the scenes section. And this is where you add the background music, okay? So if you click on the edit, you can choose from these different background music, or you can upload your own music. And here's where you can further edit each individual scene. So you can edit the script right here by clicking this pencil and then editing the text. And then next is the storyboard. Now for each shot in each scene, ReelCraft generated a prompt for the 4K animation. All right, so this prompt is what ReelCraft generated. You could edit the prompt if you wish. And then this is the voiceover, which is what I created and gave it to ReelCraft. So there's 5 scenes, and scene 1 has 1 shot. Scene 2 has 2 shots. You can add or delete scenes. You can also add or delete individual shots inside the scene, and also edit the music if you want as well. And then you can also preview it. Now let me preview this for you.
Coffee lovers, rejoice! Here are the top 3 benefits of your favorite brew. First up, increased energy and alertness. That morning cup gives you the boost you need to kickstart your day and stay focused. Next, improved liver health. Studies show that coffee can reduce the risk of liver disease and promote better liver function, so sip away. And finally, lower risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Research suggests that regular coffee drinkers may have a reduced risk of these neurodegenerative conditions. So enjoy your coffee, knowing it's not just delicious, but also beneficial for your health.
All right, there you go. So this is using their standard pro mode with their standard credits that are available to you per month. And then once you like your video, then you go to the next step where you can download your video, all right? You can also continue edit the video and caption, modify the duration, even upload it to your YouTube channel. And then this is the final video.
Coffee lovers, rejoice! Here are the top 3 benefits of your
All right, so it's essentially the same as what you saw on the storyboard. So that's the whole flow. Now keep in mind that when I was building this out, it does take a while to generate the storyboard and also to generate the video to download into your computer. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to have this storyboard completely generated by the tool. So keep that in mind. It does take time for the tool to generate everything. Now let me show you Hyper AI, okay? So this is me using the Hyper AI. Now that is only available for tier 4 and you only get 200 credits. Now this is the process. So it's the same, the story, the scenes, the storyboard, and then you can make your edits here. And then this is the final video. Now let me play the final video for you.
Coffee lovers, rejoice! Here are the #1 benefit of your favorite brew. Coffee helps with increased energy and alertness. That morning cup gives you the boost you need to kickstart your day and stay focused. So enjoy your coffee, knowing it's not just delicious, but also beneficial for your health.
All right, there you go. That's a 20-second video. As you can see, it is more realistic, but at the same time, you could see this woman here looks, I think, abnormally long. And then you also notice that this text here isn't readable. Now let's compare it with the ReelCraft AI version. So you could see here it says, enjoy your coffee. So you do need to edit it, but it is more legible than what we see here generated by Hyper AI. So it does look more realistic, but at the same time, you do know it is AI generated. Both versions look, AI generated. Now I want to show you the Studio. So if you click on Studio and generates image, you can have ReelCraft AI generate an image for you. I recently generated this coffee image. You can also do a text to speech. So you could put any of your text here and then choose from the available voices, or you could use your own voice. And then there's also the animated image as well. So you need to upload an image, give it an optional prompt, and then generate it. Now, I really wish the tool integrated this studio content into the process of building out your video. Like, there's no easy way to upload what you've created here into this scene flow or storyboard. Like for example, if I want to add a shot, I could use AI to generate an image for me like this, but there's no way to pick from this library right here. And even if I want to add a scene, I can add my voiceover text and then add shots right here, but there's no way for me to look at all of these images or animated images and pick them in this step, unfortunately. You can also upload assets from your computer into the tool. So background music, voice samples, which you do need to upload if you want your voice to be used, and then also any videos that you want to use as well. And regarding the white label option, so the white labeling option isn't all that great in my opinion. So this is the white labeling. So you could basically select your brand color, your logo, and your brand name. And that's essentially it. There's no other white labeling features in this tool. So these are the credits here. I have 3,000 credits. And you can top up your credits. So 250 credits for $9. Now with Hyper AI, that's for the gold credits, okay? So you start with 200 credits. And with my 20-second video, it took about 33-ish credits. So I currently now have 167 credits. And if you want to buy more, you could get 500 gold credits for $19. So I think this is a little bit on the expensive side, right? If you want to use the advanced AI, you need to spend over $700. Now this is Hyper AI, their website. Now what they are charging, you can use their free version, but you are limited to only 300 credits and 10 creations per day. But your watermarks are free watermark images, which is great. But if you want more credits, you do need to pay $10 per month. And if you want the videos, you need to pay $30 per month if you want to use Hyper AI directly. So now you can compare whether or not it's worth it to just get either tier 2 and then maybe subscribe to Hyper AI if you really want to, or just get tier 4 without having to have another subscription. So that is your choice. Now during this entire Black Friday season, I'll be continuously adding more AppSumo deals to this Notion doc, including other non-AppSumo SaaS deals I find across the web. Click the link in my description to get this Notion doc completely free. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos on the screen. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.